Maxxi, where have you gone, buddy? Maxxi, come on. Windy up here, isn't it? Let Daddy finally get some sleep. Yes, you look at me camera. I was recording you there. Might as well close the door. What? I'm recording a video and you've got no idea, Max. Well, that light doesn't help. This one? Nah, no point. Right then. Low battery. Bloody hell. Got these in the post. What you sniffing at? Big nose. Oh, what are you doing right under me arm, buddy? Come on, Max. Hold on, just zoom this out. I know. You love to lick me. Okay, stop now. Do you want another lick? I do know you care about me. And I really appreciate it, buddy. Good lad. I love you, bro. Could you, like, move out of the way and, not, like, sit there? Thanks. Can you go that way? Can you go in? Maxxi, go on. Thank you. Yeah, he has a knee problem. I'm going to have to pay to get that sorted out. But anyway, yes, about this new bike thing. Just check now, I'm fully zoomed out. This is a pretty strong lock. And like 5 keys to give you for it. God, I didn't know what was in the package thing, but it was really heavy. And I thought, alright, bike lock. Oh, I can smell it now. Maybe that's what Max was smelling before. Yeah, the cover of the chain there does have quite a strange smell. So this is H&S UK. A nice motorbike lock. Hell of a weight to it. And this is what I would call a standard bike cover to protect my new bike from the weather, really. Stop it from rust and things. But I also have this box, which is, as you can see there, put my camera sideways, somewhat obviously. It's ride height, breathable. It's like a. What? How are you licking me when you weren't even? Eh? Wait, Max. Just wait. Can you go back, please? Back. Good lad. My hand was down there, right, and he wasn't licking me. It was like his paw was wet. Do you have wet paws? It's not raining out there right now. I'll get your paws. Yes, I love you, bro. You don't have to lick us all the time. Right then. So, can I finish making this video, please, Maxxi? This box is, it's like a bike hut. I don't know if I need to screw this into the ground or something, but it is really heavy. Oh, Max, you stink. What the fuck? Don't lick me camera. What's going on? What's the matter with you? I know I look like a mess, but the channel fudge, Tom. I plan to go basically on holiday. You said that you've always wanted to have a dog. Would you mind taking care of me?